My name is Tinsley, and I'm the fashion and beauty staff writer at the Everygirl. This is my 650 square foot apartment in New York City. I like to say that I have a minimalist wardrobe, but maximalist style, and I definitely feel like my apartment matches that. I don't have too many things in the apartment. I like to keep it pretty minimal when it comes to furniture and decor, but I definitely have more of a maximalist sense of style when it comes to home decor too.